make sure you subscribe to my channel for more hair content. So let's get into it. Here I am just detangling my hair because I love to start braiding on freshly detangled hair. Notice that with detangled hair, it gives a cleaner and smoother overall look, so I like to do that. So here I am just wrapping it up, and I really like to use a comb attachment because it makes it easier to get all the tangles out. The product I'll be using today is a Shine and Jam styling gel. Make sure you watch the video all the way through because at the end of the video I have a picture that you can screenshot that shows you all the products that I use to create this look. So whenever you're doing the heart style, don't get frustrated because it takes a few tries to actually get it right. I thought I recorded a full video showing you how I actually did the heart, but I didn't. So look right here and you see my heart is not perfect. So it did take me a couple tries to actually get the shape how I want it to be, so don't give up. So here I am just sectioning the heart off, the top from the bottom. I like to do a 75-25 proportion, 75 at the bottom and 25 at the top. This makes it where the arch looks good and the heart looks full. So take your time, make sure your parts are clean, and I'm actually going to drop a full in-depth tutorial on how to specifically braid a heart. The process is not hard, but you have to be patient, and the strategy I use is very easy. So right here I'm just sectioning off the pieces. I like to start with smaller pieces and then bigger pieces as I move forward through the braid and not record the finished product with the braid. So that's why I'm going to drop a full video. So right here I'm just getting right on into starting the first braid. So I basically start with small pieces first and then I add pieces as I go down to add thickness. I didn't want these braids to be too thick, but I didn't want them to be thin. So here I am just making sure everything is good and adding more hair and continue braiding down. So here is how it looks, and I think I did pretty good. I'm liking how it looks. So now let's just get into the rest of it. I sped it up because I didn't want to bore y'all with me just sitting here braiding my hair. I hope y'all are enjoying this mini tutorial so far. If y'all have any style suggestions, leave them in the comment section because I would love to recreate some of the suggestions that y'all leave. I am adding more hair here, and as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that I add equal amount of hair because you don't want the braids to be uneven or want to be with more hair than the others. So I'm trying to make sure that I add the same amount to keep the braids the same size. So here I am just braiding on down, and as I get ready to wrap it up, okay, here's how it looks. So I'm 3 braids in, and so far I'm liking it. They're pretty long and I'm overall satisfied. So let's skip to the finished product. So I wanted the ends to be curly, so I used perm rods. I got the orange perm rods from Sally's, and you can also find them at your local beauty supply store. I used about 2 plaits per rod, and for some of them I may have used 3. I'm rolling them on the plait, and I'm actually twisting while I twist. So I'm twisting while I twist it to give it a more defined curl. And for the single one, I use a smaller perm rod, so the curl is a little bit tighter. So here is how the orange perm rods turned out compared to the pink perm rod. So to dip the braids, I have a water kettle. I got this from Walmart. The water up pretty fast. So here's how the curls turned out. And yeah, so basically this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and comment any style suggestions that you have. And here is the products that were used to create this look. Leave a comment if you try this look. I will catch y'all in the next video.